Welcome to ProctorParhai, your ultimate solution for online assessments. ProctorParhai is a web-based SaaS platform designed to streamline and secure your online testing process. ProctorParhai can conduct tests in different modes. In a controlled environment, AI-based proctoring is not needed. However, in a remote environment, AI-based proctoring ensures exam integrity. Our AI-based proctoring includes facial recognition, eye detection, voice detection, object detection, and tab switching monitoring for secure remote testing. We've integrated a large language model into our auto-grading system, where AI checks and evaluates responses accurately and efficiently. Our vision language model detects and reports eye monitoring counts for enhanced security. We've also implemented a large language model for AI-driven question generation, creating questions based on topics and user levels set by admins. ProctorParhai supports various question types, including multiple choice, short answers, image-based questions, and essays. Administrators can invite candidates via email or through invitation codes, making the process flexible and convenient. Ideal for MCQs, admission tests, recruitment tests, professional training, online quizzes, and more. ProctorParhai benefits educational institutions, EdTech companies, schools, colleges, and corporate organizations. Experience the future of online assessments today. Visit ProctorParhai.com and get started now.